we are going to be starting up with the fundamentals before we come back to the technicals. So let's go to the fundamentals. Remember, today is actually on 19th of February 2026. So let's go to the technical aspects, sorry, the fundamental aspects, where we are using Forex Factory. So we are looking for major news coming up today from United States. Okay, the major news we have today is coming up 2:30 p.m. Nigerian time, which is unemployment claims, and that comes up by 2:30 p.m. Nigerian time. The current time in Nigeria is 6:43 a.m. So you can actually do what to adjust the time to suit your local time. Okay, that said, let's go straight into the technical aspect. That means by 2:30, that's when we'll be expecting the fundamentals. All right, so let's check out what to expect on the technical aspect. Now, pound dollar. Yesterday was actually a short trade, but we really couldn't take the trade because there was no any confirmation. The market just started moving bearish. So actually, we said after breaking this previous level, we are supposed to short this market to this level. But then when it broke above it, there was no any form of maybe like giving us opportunity to go short on that. Let's go back to 15-minute starts to show you what really happened there. Okay, so when actually this market actually broke below this, I actually expected maybe a minor move, but then before I saw it, it was already somewhere around this level. So there was no way I could take it because taking this trade, stop loss is never going to be somewhere here. My take profit will be somewhere here. To reach so this to reward ratio. So it like give me 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, but I wasn't really comfortable with that, and that was why I really didn't take it. I was expecting maybe move a little bit of consolidation around this level, so I can just go short, then put stop loss and take profits right. But that didn't happen. When I see it already somewhere around, I think either this level, no, I think this one, yeah, that it was, and there was no way I could actually take that straight. That I didn't really take trade on pound dollar yesterday. All right. So going to the one archer, let's see what to expect today. Now, already the levels are marked. Just in case you don't know I'm get high above the levels, let me go back to H4 so you can actually see where they're coming from. I actually focus on recent stuff. So here's the recent one and here's the recent one. You can see it. So definitely inside this zone. Now after that, if you go below this, I expect a bearish trade. But moving above this, I expect a bullish trade. But then why is this out here? Then I change your structures what to tell me, are we moving above this or are we breaking below this? Remember, if you start giving me series of higher highs and higher lows, I know okay, we are going bullish. I start breaking below this. Remember, even if you give me a lower low and lower highs, I'm not taking you until this level is taken out. That means I want to see it move below this level before of taking any bullish trade. So any bearish, but for the bullish, if you can see markets actually structures giving series of higher highs and higher lows on 15-minute charts, then I'll be going long to this level. So let's go back to 15-minute chart. Let's see what's going on there. Okay, let me just close this up. Okay, now getting down to this level, I want to see the markets a pullback not below this its own lower here, then breaking above its own high, then I go long to this structured nest. So that's that for pound dollars. But then if this level gets taken out, that's how I'll be going my major long to this next structure. So please take notes of that. Okay, go to the next one, which is definitely BTCUSD. The 66,000 man on 66,000. We're actually expecting to get to 60,000 hopefully by next week. Okay, here's the previous chart. Let me just delete this to make it a bit clearer. Here's the previous structure we actually marked it. Now, are you seeing a bullish movement to this level? I haven't that the market actually, let's say, tested this level bearish and they can see some pullback, or are we seeing movement to retest this zone? Let's go back to 15-minute chart. Let's see what's going on there. Yes, I can, sir. What I'm explaining, like I said earlier, if you're gonna see a breakout from this, then I'll be going long. But then this, I haven't moved this way, breaking above that, breaking below all these, but let's go down here, then getting injected. Oh, sorry, what's going on? Coming over here, then you can see it's moving over here again. So that means we are seeing series of bullish trend to go back to this level. You can see that. Why? Because it's actually broke above this high, now stopping somewhere here, not breaking below, or testing the not neither breaking below this previous place. So that tells us that we likely see a bullish trend going above this or going to this level right here. But then on the candlestick formation, no candlestick confirming that is, that is why I won't be going long. So that means I'm waiting for the market to actually get to see if it's going to break above this. If it's having to go level, then I'm going long on BTCUSD. All right, that's it. Let's go to the next one, which is the final one, XAUUSD, popularly called gold. Gold seems to be doing a lot since let's say last week or last week about. You can see it going seriously bullish, yeah, bullish for the past few, let's say, weeks now. Delete all this to make the chart look a bit cleaner and wider. All right. Okay, so actually I removed the noise. Told you that was like some weeks ago. Guys, I don't like noise around it. Then let's see what is going on. But from what I'm seeing bullish structure already because you can see the candlestick formation. They are actually not high momentum. They are low momentum candlestick bearish formation. So I've been engulfed by this bullish candlestick. So that tells you that there's bullish pressure at this level. We can actually take us to this next zone right here, which is the 5,000 level. But then go to 15 minutes chart. Let's see what really is going on there. Yes, that's actually a bullish trade, but then we really don't have any reasonable place to actually put our stop loss yet. Breaking above that to this level, not breaking below this, no, testing it, stopping here is actually giving us a bullish signal for us to go long on that. But then for us to actually continue going long, since already here, as we went long somewhere here would have been our first TP, but then since already there, that means we have to wait for it to actually move average for us to go long to the next level. So let me take this down so you can actually see the next level I'm actually talking about. That means to this level right here. Let me move this. Okay, I think that's clear enough. So that means if it happens to break above this internal high right here, then we can now go long after it has been broken. So that's for XAU USD. All right, that said, that brings us to the end of the analysis on Forex market where we analyze the pound dollar, BTCUSD, and XAUUSD. Remember, if this is the first time coming across my videos, we do updates every single day analyzing the market. And of course, remember, we don't just analyze the Forex market, we also analyze the synthetic market. That said, definitely, please, I wish you a profitable day trader. Please stay safe, trade safe, and ensure you don't risk more than you can afford to lose. See you on synthetic analysis, and of course, see you tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis.